Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. So today I have a new Bluetooth speaker to review on my desk. It's a powerful stereo Bluetooth speaker that comes with touch controls. It's made by this company called Jack Martin and the model of this Bluetooth speaker is Muze. Quite a unique name. You can see a picture of the speaker here. It's only available in black and yellow color for now and comes in this sort of box packing. It's completely sealed and the packaging looks quite nice. Let's see what's written at the back side. Okay, you've got the specs of the speaker here. It's a Bluetooth 3.0 speaker, has a 2500 mAh 18650 battery. The company says it has a working time of around 4 to 5 hours and charging it takes around 2 hours. It's a stereo Bluetooth speaker, also has a mic on it and can produce a max output of 9 watts. So those were some of its features. Now let's check out the pricing details. The price on the box says it's 2990 rupees, but it's available for only about 2099 rupees. So that was our overview on the box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packing. There you go. The outer cover slides out like this. I really like the color combination of the box, black and yellow, one of my favorites. So the speaker comes in this sort of box packing. It says Jack Martin on the box. Let's just open it and check out the speaker. Alright guys, we've got the speaker at the top nicely packed in this tray. Let me just take it out and show you. So here it is. It does feel a bit heavy in the hand. Before we check it out, let's just keep it aside and see what else do we have in the box. You get some paperwork, it's a user manual and a warranty card. Just make sure to read them for all the info on the product. Along with that, you get a USB cable for charging. It's a flat wire USB cable and you also get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable. So these were all the items you got in the box. Now let's check out the speaker. So here it is, Jack Martin Muze Bluetooth speaker. This is how it looks like. It's got this beautiful black and yellow design. The finishing and the build quality of the product is good. It's made of plastic but has a nice rubberized matte finishing and has these touch controls at the top. You've got a lot of buttons here and they're also backlit. On the front you've got the Jack Martin branding and a big metal speaker grill below that. Under that grill you have two 4.5 watt speakers and this is how the back and the bottom part looks like. Now let me show you all those touch controls. You've got a volume down, answer calls, volume up. This is charging status indicator, microSD card and Bluetooth status indicator. Below that you have the music touch controls. So that was about the touch panel at the top. Now let me show you the different ports at the back side. You have a microUSB port for charging, a microSD card slot, an aux port, a power button and a reset button. And at the bottom there's a battery compartment which consists of a 2500 mAh 18650 battery. You can also open it up easily in case you ever have to replace it in future. And beside that you've got two rubber foot pads. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality of the speaker. Now let's power it on, pair it with my phone and check out the audio quality. The power button is at the back side of the speaker. You need to press and hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds to power it on. There you go. You can see the Bluetooth indicator flashing in blue. Now let me just bring my phone, turn on Bluetooth and pair with it. And that's done. Let's play music and check out the audio quality.
Connect to the Bluetooth.
Talking about the audio quality, I was literally blown away by the sound. Seriously guys, this is one of the loudest and best sounding speaker I've seen in this price range. The mids felt crisp and clear, the vocals were warm and mellow, the treble quality was good, but I felt it could have been a bit softer. And talking about the bass, wow, it's got that solid kick in the bass. The bass felt punchy and was really good for the price. The distortion was less up to 85% volume level, beyond which you can feel slight distortion in the audio. And coming to the audio output, the output was really high and more than enough to have a party in your room. On the overall, I was quite impressed by the audio quality for the price point. This speaker also has a microphone on it and the quality was good during call conversations. Now let's see how the touch controls work. Very nice, all of them work pretty well. Let's talk about the battery life. It has a 2500 mAh 18650 battery and the battery life was okay. On an average I was getting around 4 hours of music playtime at 75% volume level and charging this speaker from 0 to 100 took about 1.5 hours. So that was my review on the Jack Martin's Muze Bluetooth speaker. It's an amazing stereo Bluetooth speaker for the price. The build quality is good, the audio sounds awesome and it's really loud. The only thing I was not satisfied is with the battery life. I felt the battery life could have been better. It costs about 2099 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.